Here's 6 more tips for protecting yourself when buying supplements online. And before you ask, I don't sell supplements. I've been reviewing them honestly for over 30 years. I don't work for any supplement company or pharmaceutical company either. And between here, my YouTube channel, and my website, I have over 1,000 honest evidence-based reviews on dietary supplements. Number 1, find the address of the company selling the supplement. I do this a lot when I investigate a supplement company. Plug that address into a browser and check out what it looks like. Do you see a building that has the company's logo on it, or do you see the post office or a FedEx office? The worst offender I ever saw when I did this was a very dirty alley in another country. Number 2, before you go to the website of that company to check out its address, use a better browser. The most privacy-centered browser I've found so far is the Brave browser. This happened with me when I investigated a supplement here on TikTok. They found me within minutes and I started automatically getting emails from that company. So protect your privacy if that's important to you. Before you purchase a supplement online, look at the reviews, and not the 4 and 5-star reviews. I personally like the 3-star reviews because I find that those tend to be a little bit better balanced. Also look at the shipping charges. It may look like the supplement is pretty inexpensive, but when you factor in the shipping charges, it actually could be quite expensive. This next one is really important. Be very careful with free samples of dietary supplements. In several instances I've seen over the years, companies will offer people a free or discounted sample. However, if you opt for that, you will probably be entered into an auto shipment program if you do not cancel within a certain specified time. Like for instance, canceling within 2 weeks. And if you don't cancel within that time, you could get hit with a pretty big bill. And that leads right into the very best tip I can give you, and it is this: do not pay for anything online with your debit card. If you do that, you are giving a company direct access to your checking account. If you do not cancel those auto shipments in time, you may find your bank account very much lower than it was before you purchased that supplement.